What's up, family, and welcome back to my channel. It comes natural where being you, it should come natural. Yes, that sounds so good to be able to say that again, because I know you all are thinking, Kayla, you have been MIA. And yes, I have been very much MIA just for a little while, but the most important thing is that I am back again. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in. So I just want to first off wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. I hope you all have been enjoying your family. I hope you have had lots of food and laughter and just been surrounded by love all day. Christmas time is certainly one of my most favorite times of the year, hands down. Nothing tops Christmas, and it's even better when you have a kid. So anyway, this is my most favorite time of the year. So I wanted to come back to you guys. I know I've been out for a while, and I said, you know what? I could wait till the new year, but you know what? I can't just skip right over Christmas. So I wanted to come to you on Christmas Day. Yes, happy birthday, Jesus. Because he is the reason for the season. No, real talk, he really is. But I wanted to come to you guys on this Christmas Day, just to catch up, just to say, hey, what's up? Thank you to those that have reached out and said that you've missed me. I just took a little break, but no worries, I'm not going anywhere. I'm back and I'm here to stay. But I want to get into today's video because I love Christmas. I will be unboxing my gift to myself, which is, I do it every year, but I gift myself with hair products. I mean, hair products are the best Christmas gift a girl could ask for, a natural girl at that, okay? So I always gift myself with natural hair products, and that's what we're going to be doing today, is we're going to be unboxing gifts to myself. So now let me let you in. I brought these hair products on Black Friday, and yes, because I'm just so brilliant, I was like, you know what, let me just wait. As you can see, I have a protective style right now, which is probably going to be coming out sometime later tonight or maybe tomorrow, but I'm getting ready to take my protective style out. I've had this protective style since November, so it's been almost 8 weeks. Holding on strong, knotless braids. I did enjoy these braids. They were phenomenal. I love knotless braids. I will probably get them again. I don't even think I want to go back to the regular box braids. I would probably keep getting knotless braids. They were definitely a win. But yes, I've had this protective style in for a little while now, and it's time to take them out. So I did my Black Friday shopping, of course, and I was like, you know what? Why don't I just wait and just, you know, unbox my goodies and share it with you guys. I'm really excited about these products that I purchased, because one particular box that I got is a product that I've been waiting to try for a very long time. But I won't, you know, ramble on and on and on and on. I'll just go ahead and get to it. So here we go. Let me go get my gifts. All right, so okay, wait, let me put this right here. For all of you haters out there, yes, I did buy myself hair products for Christmas. Yes, I did wrap them. Yes, I do know what's in each one of these boxes, but mind your business, okay? This is about me and my happiness, okay? And this is what brings me joy, okay? So I'm choosing joy, and I am choosing to gift myself, and I chose to go the extra route, because when it comes to Christmas, I am very, very extra. But you know what? I should be. It's Christmas. So yes, I did wrap these gifts. And I'm so excited. Yes, I know. The box is all ready, but I can't wait to share it with you guys, okay? So here we go. Box number 1. All right. First up, we have, drum roll please. We have Mayo Organics. All right, so I need something. Oh, you know what? I'm just so strong. Oh, that's not gonna work. Oh. Whoa, okay. Let me see. All right, there we go. All righty, here we go. Thank you for your purchase. So, like I said, I bought these products on Black Friday, which I would recommend anybody who's, you know, into hair products like I am. If you're a product junkie, if you're not a product junkie, because to be honest, I've done a whole lot better. I have been finding brands that work well for my hair, and I've just been sticking with it. So Mayo Organics, I have found some staple products, and I knew that I needed to restock, and the best time to do that is Black Friday, y'all, when they chop those prices in half. So these products were like $5, $6, which is really, really good. So you can see the, can you see that? Oh, yep. You got your little styrofoam. All right, let me stop making this because I gotta clean this up. All right, so first up we have the Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. This has become one of my staples. This deep conditioner is amazing. It is a protein moisture replenisher, which I may or may not have. I think I've done a video with this, but rest assured I will be doing reviews on all of my new products. But I really love this deep conditioner because it has the protein in it, and so I don't necessarily like doing a whole lot of protein, like straight up hardcore protein Afro-G treatments, which those are good, and I do them throughout the year, but it's still good to kind of sprinkle in, you know, some protein here and there. And so when my hair has been, or before I put it in a protective style, maybe sometimes after, but whenever I feel like my hair is, you know, getting a little weak, I like to find products or deep conditioners that has protein in it, and this works wonders. So yes to this. All right, toss it over there. Next up we have the leave-in conditioner, and so this, I know I have talked about this in the video before, but this is one of my staple leave-in conditioners, and it works well with a lot of other products. So you may see other influencers and other natural hair influencers talk about how this product is a great combination product. So like if you're doing wash and go, even with like a twist out, this product works well with any other like cream or styling cream, that type of thing. So I got some of that. And I actually, see, I'm stocking up because I know I use these products a lot. So I actually got two well, no, I got two of those deep conditioners. I didn't get two leave-ins, excuse me. I got two deep conditioners because as y'all can see from that jar, it is, I would show you, but I kind of tossed it over here and I don't really feel like getting up. But the jar is small, and I'm heavy-handed. Most naturals are heavy-handed. We don't do the dime size, okay? We do the full scoop your hand in size. So when it comes to that, I knew I had to get a lot. So I stocked up and I got two of those. And then next I got the pomegranate and honey coil sculpting custard. So I have seen great reviews about this. I have not used this particular, I have the styling cream, but I have not gotten the custard because I am going to try to do more wash and goes. And so I've seen some of my favorites like Nay Too Curly use this custard. I believe Kimberly Sherrill may have used this custard too. So like I said, some of the, you know, top natural hair ladies that I follow, I've heard really good things about it. So I wanted to try it out for myself. Box number 2. Here we go. Open her up. Open her up. Open her up. Hey. Ooh. Alright. And this one, we don't know what it is just yet. Alrighty, let's see. Here we go. And drum roll please. This box is the Mish product line. Mish, 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 we got Mish, 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 we got Mish, 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 we got Mish. Okay. So, Mish Beauty products, I'm really excited about using this line of products. Now I'm gonna be honest, when I take my hair out, I will be using these products. So stay tuned for that video. When I take down my braids and I do my first style, I'm going to be using this product line. Why? Because I've heard great things about it, and this product line is really good as far as like moisture. So my hair has been in this particular style for 2 months now, so I'm probably gonna need a lot of moisture. So I got this product line. All right, so first thing that I got, and I went ahead and just, you know, copped the whole collection. But I have the moisturizing and cleansing sulfate free shampoo. I'm excited to try that. Next we have the protein deep conditioner, and we have the moisturizing deep conditioner. So this, I'm gonna have to figure out which one I want to use when I do my hair. So I don't think I'm gonna need a whole lot of protein because I don't think my hair is extremely or necessarily weak from the tension. So I'm probably gonna go with the moisturizing deep conditioner because my hair probably does, if anything, it lacks more moisture right now than it does protein. But I wanted to get both because, like I said, I love to get products and find deep conditioners that have that, you know, hint of protein in it, so I can continue to get my hair protein and not just wait to do one of those really strong protein treatments, like maybe every, you know, quarter or something like that. So I got the 2 deep conditioners, the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner and the Strengthen Protein Deep Conditioner. And next I got the Lavish Leave-In Conditioner, which I've heard great things about this whole product line. And the Hydrating and the Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. So I have their whole line, and one of the influencers that really inspired me with this product line is, which I'm sure y'all already know, you know, for those of you that are out there in the natural hair world, it's Miss Kimberly Sherrill. She raves about this product, and I believe her. I do. And everybody that I've seen, it's been the same. I don't think I've seen a bad review, and I've watched so many reviews, but I don't think I've seen one bad review about this product line. So I am super duper excited about using this product. Like I said, stay tuned because I will be doing another video after I take my hair down, after protective style video. So I'm excited about that, and I will be using this whole line, and I will let you guys know how I like it. So stay tuned. That's it. I appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said earlier, thank you guys to those that reached out to me and, you know, were wondering, Kayla, where are you? I haven't gone anywhere. I'm still here. I'm still in the game. I just took off some time, but hey, I'm back and I'm moving forward. Just a little life update for those of you that are not aware. I am with child. I am pregnant with baby number 2. And I will say that did play just a tiny part while I took a break. But it's okay. We're not gonna get into it right now. But anyway, I am pregnant with baby number 2. So me and my family, we are very, very excited. Morgan's gonna be a big sister. So you guys are not only going to be going along with my hair journey as I continue to bring you guys in, but you also will be, you know, picking in on my pregnancy journey as well. So again, stay tuned for that. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, and let me know what you thought about this video. Also let me know what are some videos that you want to see coming up in the new year 2020. And again, thank you guys, and remember, being you, it should come natural. Peace.